What if I told you that every movement you make, every signal you send, and every shadow you cast in a conflict zone can be tracked in real time? No warning, no escape. Somewhere above the clouds, an eye is always watching, never blinking, never sleeping. Today, we expose how Israel built one of the most advanced military surveillance systems on Earth, and why modern warfare will never be the same again. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Imagine a battlefield where hiding is no longer possible. No matter how deep underground you go, no matter how silent you move, someone is always watching. This is not science fiction. This is modern military surveillance. Israel has built what many defense analysts call the eye that never blinks, a multi-layered intelligence network that fuses satellites, drones, sensors, cyber systems, and artificial intelligence into one continuous stream of awareness. Unlike traditional surveillance, this system does not observe periodically. It observes constantly. Every signal emission, every vehicle movement, every electronic footprint is logged, analyzed, and cross-checked in real time. What makes this shocking is not just the technology, but the speed. Decisions that once took hours are now made in seconds. Targets are identified, verified, and tracked before they even realize they have been detected. This capability has quietly redefined how wars are fought, how borders are monitored, and how threats are neutralized. In today's video, we are going inside this system, piece by piece, understand how Israel's surveillance architecture works, why it is considered among the most advanced in the world, and what it means for the future of global military power. Modern warfare is no longer about who has more tanks or larger armies. It is about information dominance. Israel's surveillance doctrine is built around one core idea: total situational awareness. This means knowing what is happening everywhere, all the time. To achieve this, Israel integrates space-based assets, airborne platforms, ground sensors, and cyber intelligence into a single operational picture. Unlike isolated systems used by many militaries, Israel's network is designed for fusion. Data from satellites is instantly combined with drone feeds, radar tracking, intercepted communications, and cyber monitoring. Artificial intelligence systems then analyze patterns, identify anomalies, and flag potential threats. This allows commanders to see not just what is happening now, but what is likely to happen next. The result is predictive surveillance, anticipating actions before they occur. This approach gives Israel a critical advantage in both defensive and offensive operations. Borders become transparent, enemy movements lose secrecy, even deception tactics become harder to execute. In this new paradigm, visibility equals control and control equals power. At the highest layer of Israel's surveillance system are its military satellites. These platforms operate in multiple orbits, providing constant coverage over areas of interest. High-resolution imaging satellites can capture detailed visuals day and night, while radar-based satellites can see through clouds and darkness. Signals intelligence satellites monitor electronic emissions, tracking communications, radar activity, and data links. What makes Israel's space surveillance unique is not just the quality of its sensors, but how frequently it revisits targets. Short revisit times mean changes on the ground are detected quickly. Construction, troop movements, equipment relocation, all are identified and logged. Satellite data is then transmitted to ground stations and fed directly into command and control networks. This space layer forms the backbone of the never blinks concept, ensuring that no region of strategic interest goes unobserved for long. Below the satellites, unmanned aerial vehicles form the most visible layer of Israel's surveillance dominance. These drones are not just cameras in the sky. They are intelligent platforms equipped with electro-optical sensors, infrared systems, synthetic aperture radar, and signals interception equipment. Some operate at high altitudes for wide-area monitoring, while others fly lower for detailed tracking. Their endurance allows them to remain airborne for extended periods, maintaining continuous observation over critical zones. Data from these drones is streamed live to intelligence centers, where analysts and AI systems work together. Targets can be followed for hours or even days, building a complete behavioral profile. This persistent presence removes the element of surprise from the battlefield, turning movement itself into a risk. Surveillance does not stop in the air. On the ground, Israel deploys networks of seismic sensors, acoustic detectors, radar systems, and smart cameras. These devices are often hidden and interconnected, forming invisible detection lines across borders and sensitive areas. They can detect footsteps, vehicles, tunneling activity, and unusual vibrations. When triggered, they automatically cue other surveillance assets, such as drones or cameras, to focus on the area. This layered approach ensures redundancy. If one sensor misses something, another catches it. Ground surveillance transforms terrain into an active participant in defense, silently reporting everything that happens upon it. Data alone is useless without interpretation. This is where artificial intelligence plays a central role. AI systems process massive volumes of information, identifying patterns humans would miss. They correlate satellite imagery with drone feeds, sensor alerts, and intercepted signals, creating a unified intelligence picture. AI accelerates decision-making, reduces human error, and enables rapid response. It does not replace analysts, but it empowers them, turning surveillance into actionable intelligence at unprecedented speed. Surveillance is only valuable if it leads to effective action. Israel's command and control systems are designed to shorten the sensor-to-shooter timeline. Once a threat is identified, verified, and prioritized, information flows instantly to decision makers. This integration allows for precise, timely responses while minimizing collateral damage. The speed of this process is a strategic advantage, often leaving adversaries reacting instead of acting. Beyond tactical benefits, constant surveillance has a psychological effect. Knowing that every move may be observed creates pressure, uncertainty, and hesitation. This silent presence acts as a deterrent, shaping behavior without a single shot being fired. In many cases, surveillance itself becomes a tool of control, influencing outcomes before conflict escalates. Israel's eye that never blinks represents the future of military power. As technology advances, surveillance systems will become even more integrated, autonomous, and predictive. The line between peace and conflict will blur as observation becomes continuous. Nations that fail to adapt risk strategic blindness. Those that master surveillance will shape the battlefield before it even exists. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Warvex Intelligence, and turn on notifications. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think total surveillance makes the world safer or more dangerous? Stay informed, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.